So you're great at the sales basics, but what about high ticket sales? Closing high ticket deals requires a balance of creating urgency, but without being pushy. In this video, we're going to break down those techniques step by step. My name's Luke. I've been in the sales game for over 20 years. I've sold everywhere from startups to enterprises, low ticket to high ticket, you name it, I've done it. I've had a ton of success and made a ton of mistakes, so you don't have to. This is part of a 5-video series prepping you to smash your sales in 2025. So do please like, subscribe, check out the links below for a ton of free sales stuff. Let's get into the video. The first thing about high ticket sales is the mindset shift. You need to transform from a salesperson to an advisor. High ticket clients are looking for guidance, expertise, and reassurance, not just your product or your service. So when you step into that more advisory style role, they're going to see your value. So let's get into 3 high ticket sales closing techniques that you can start using today. The first is reinforcing value with RO, or return on investment. So whenever you are discussing the price, which for the inexperienced high ticket seller is always an area of concern, it's always an area where we lose a little bit of confidence. So if you frame the price as an investment and not just an amount of money they have to pay to get X, Y, or Z, then you can start discussing return on investment. We buy things, things cost money. We invest in things, we get a return on that investment. The second thing is creating urgency, not by being pushy, but by reinforcing the scarcity. The difference with a high ticket sales call is that quite often the main decision maker is the person you are talking to on that call. And so we really need to get them closed in that moment. One tactic is creating scarcity around your offer. This could be as simple as saying something like, this opportunity is only available for 3 more clients that I need to sign up today. Once we're closed, we're not going to open these spots up again for another 6 months. The third technique is solidifying trust through storytelling. As humans, we love to communicate through storytelling. Before phones, before Netflix, before TVs, we used to gather around the campfire and tell stories. And there's something about that that is still ingrained into our DNA today. So if you can tell a really good story about your product, about your service, but especially about your current clients and the benefits that they're seeing, this is a surefire way to win the deal. So if you're ready to start closing high ticket sales deals today, take these 3 techniques, use them as your blueprint, and drop me a comment below. Let me know how you get on. This was the final video in our 5-part series, getting you prepped for 2025. That said, there's still a few more weeks left in 2024, and we will have a ton more content coming out to keep you AI-proof, recession-proof, and to smash your sales numbers and put a ton of money in your pocket next year. See you in the next one.